Hey beauties, it's me, Riri. I'm a plus size model and a self-taught and freelance makeup artist here in North Carolina. And I love sub boxes. I'm pretty sure I've already said that, but y'all, I'm freaking obsessed. And the more that I actually have more kind of sub box beauties that I'm subscribed to, I'm like learning about all these different sub boxes I've never heard of. And some of them are pretty damn incredible. So today I finally am getting all my sub boxes in for the month of June. But I have my Fabfitfun box. This thing is huge for the month of June. If you are unfamiliar with Fabfitfun, it is a beauty and lifestyle box for $49.99 every quarter. And then this is our summer box. I did also get two add-ons, whatever. And I know that the add-ons come, I think, one time a month, and it's open for a specific amount of time. So you can add products at a discounted rate to go with your Fabfitfun box. So for my add-ons, I got the black activated charcoal, bentonite clay, and coconut oil whitening toothpaste. And it was a full size. And then also a brand that I love and adore, and is the Dr. Brandt Oxygen Facial Flash Recovery Mask. And it is like a hydrating spray, I think is what it was. I think that's why I got it. Yes, or like a foam. Oh my god, and it's so cute. Their packaging is like amazing. And I really love the line that comes with like the teal stripe on it. It's more of the like the aging or the anti-aging type of formulations. So I'm really excited to try both of those. Of course, you guys know I will always update you. So we are going to get into the box. And y'all know I don't get any spoilers. And it sucks because everybody that gets theirs before me, when I get their notifications that they've posted, I just hurry up and click and comment real quick and say, hey, I will watch it as soon as I unbox mine. So I finally get to watch everybody's and see what they got. So you always get like the little pamphlet. It of course tells you what everything is. And for your $49.99 quarterly or whatever seasonally, you will get, it's like $250 or $300 worth of product. So let's jump in. I have an $80 little gift card thing for HelloFresh, which I did use the last one that I got, and we were super pleased. And then this says, beach more, worry less, and treat yourself to Fabfitfun. I am gifting you $10 off your first Fabfitfun. So you get your very first box for $39.99. That is pretty cool as well. It is always packaged really beautifully. This is only my second box. And actually this is going to be the determining factor in whether or not I continue to get Fabfitfun. I know that it's absolutely worth the $50, but I'm more of a beauty skincare type of person. Of course I like hair masks and hair oils and things like that as well. But I've seen in some, and then kind of the spring box I wasn't too thrilled with. And honestly, I don't understand the hype as far as from that box. I don't know what's in here yet. But I'm not really into like sunglasses and I'm not I guess a lifestyle person when it comes to that kind of stuff. I want to run to Target or run to Walmart and buy what I need as far as that kind of stuff goes. So we're going to see. I'm an open, honest person, and if I don't like it and don't feel like I would get it again, I'm not going to bullshit about that. So we will see. First is Burn 60 3 resistance bands. That's what they look like. Burn 60 is a high intensity interval training for all fitness levels. Okay, gotcha, fitness bands. Now this I could get into. I do like walking DVDs and stuff like that. So there's a light, a medium, and a heavy as far as the resistance bands go. I think that's pretty cool. Again, not something that I would, essentially wants in a box, but I think that they're cool and I will actually use them 100% with my little walking DVDs. This is funny because I got my hair stuck in my hair tie, these things, the other day, and I was on a YouTube live and I was like, y'all, I literally just got my hair bow stuck in my hair, and somebody actually suggested these, and it is the Invisibobbles. I have never tried these. I think I'm going to try them. I'll keep maybe the clear ones and see how they do. I don't see how they actually keep your hair completely in place, especially if you have heavier hair. But we'll see, and I think it's super, super cute. So I'm actually excited to try those. Next I see Intelligent Nutrients Plant Stem Cell Refining Micro Polish So this is a smoothing and exfoliating type thing. I've never heard of this brand before. That is what it looks like. I'm getting a lot of skincare this month. A lot. That is what it looks like. I do love microdermabrasion type products, so I will keep this and I will definitely update you guys on this. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Next is another brand I've never heard of, and the box feels very wet and very gross. This is Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray, Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. And that is what it looks like. It is full size. It is in like plastic, but I think you guys can tell it's like really wet and really soft through here. So I think it might have leaked some. I'm going to open it and just check. Maybe that's what the box looks like, but it's very soft as well. So I don't think that's how it's supposed to be. Oh yeah, no, it's definitely wet. That kind of sucks. Maybe it just like leaked out a little bit or something. I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely. Okay, so as you can see, there's droplets all over the lid. And there's actually some of it missing, and I don't know how it's leaking or where it's leaking from. Maybe the top and it just got twisted. Yeah, that's what it is. I mean, I'm not mad about it. It's not like a ton of it has been wasted, but that's what it looks like. I am actually going to spray it. I just hope it hasn't been used. I guess it's not really hurting anything. It's not going on my skin, But yeah, but you can definitely see it leaked out quite a bit. But all right, let's smell her. Let's see how she... Okay, it hasn't been used because I'm priming it and it's still not doing anything. Okay, it's still not doing anything. Maybe mine's just broke. I had a guest, guys. That's why we had some pawns. Malachi Jones had to say goodbye. Yeah, y'all, I have literally been sitting here trying to spray this for like 45 seconds. No, it's been like 3 minutes. Mine doesn't work, and it leaked out, which if it doesn't work, I don't know how the fuck it leaked out. But, yeah. So, we'll just email Fabfitfun. Which is not working. I've tried and tried and tried and tried and tried. So I will just email them. It'll give me an idea of their customer service and stuff like that. I am gonna, that seems like a lot's missing. I need to watch someone else's and see if it was actually full, like, to the top. But I'll at least open it and smell it. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't think I would use it anyway. I love rose. It's one of my favorite scents, especially for like rose mist and stuff like that. This smells very strong, like almost perfumey versus soft and floral and pretty. So bummed about that, and that box is really close to breaking. I don't understand how it leaks so much if the pump doesn't even actually work. A little bit of a bummer. Moving along. Next up is a Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I do not like clay masks, so I will not be keeping this. I just don't like, and I've said this prior, I really like either a sheet mask that I can, you know, chill for 15-20 minutes, you know, do something else while I'm doing it, take it off, and then massage the serums or whatever in. Or I like a peel-off mask where, again, it can set, and then I peel it away and it just goes away. Call me lazy, I don't give a shit, but I don't like to leave something on and then have to go back in and scrub it off and take it off, and I feel like it's more harsh on my skin than the other ones. That's my personal opinion, which I'm entitled to, but I mean, it's a cool thing to have, just it ain't for me. Next is Wish Powerfully Effective Naturals Coconut Milk and Verbena Exfoliating Foot Mask. It soothes and softens with intense hydration. Paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, DEA and TEA-free, something-free, and cruelty-free. That is what that looks like. And I've actually heard, I've never tried anything from them, but I've heard a lot of my friends talk about their, I guess, hand creams are supposed to be really good. And this thing is not even actually all the way full. Yeah, you guys can't tell. It is only, like my windows right here too, it is only filled to up here. I kind of feel like that's a theme with sub boxes. What do y'all think? Like, we get these amazing products or like more luxe, high quality product, but then they're not even full. So I do actually want to smell it. It is still safety sealed. It smells nice. It's really, really soft. I don't know that this is something that I will use. We'll see. I do like coconut milk a whole lot. We'll see. Next is another Living Proof item. This is Living Proof month. Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream stops frizz and lightly conditions. This I will keep. I'm all about like putting styling creams or like leave-in conditioners and stuff like that in my hair. I do want to open it and smell it. I'm all about smelling stuff. Ooh, mama. Okay, that smells really, really good. And I'm going to assume you can do this like wet or dry. Apply generously to clean, damp hair from roots to ends. Cool deal. So I'm excited about that. Finally, something I'm excited about. This is Sutra Beauty Marble Blow Dryer, travel size. And I literally just got a blow dryer in my boxy charm, which I wasn't going to keep. This ain't looking too promising for me, y'all. Let's see what she looks like, though. Oh, she's cute. So, that is what it looks like. And it's kind of like the other one, how it's like that kind of soft, I don't know, it's like soft, like silicone-y a finish to it. It's actually kind of cute. I don't know, y'all. I don't ever blow dry my hair. And I don't want to sound like an ass, like it's not good stuff, because it is. And it has like the little diffuser on it, so that's kind of cute. I might keep this one and gift the other one. But again, I'll watch some unboxings and maybe see if anyone has any reviews about both of them and kind of go from there. Again, not something I'm really ever going to use. And then last, I'm assuming this is last. Yes. Is a very heavy box. Set of 3 indigo tie-dye bowls. West Elm. I'm assuming that's the pattern is West Elm. That's what these look like. They are very, very heavy. Let's open them up. Now this kind of stuff I do like. Again, we entertain a lot. So I like having little cute things to put dips in and stuff like that. Everything's packaged well. These are heavy. Oh, they're so cute. So they are like a thick, heavy porcelain. I like these. I'll keep these and I will use these. I really like these a lot. Okay, so my final thoughts. Okay. For $50, I feel like you do get your money's worth. However, with that being said, unless you are really into these types of products, and I feel like you're going to receive them every 3 months and not use them up from the prior time, possibly, I don't think I'm going to get it again. I know that's going to sound crazy to a lot of people, but just not my thing. I feel like I can honestly get the same type of stuff from Allure as far as skincare. I feel like, I'm sorry, I love Allure and I feel like they have like the best of the best as far as like skincare and stuff like that. And we get enough of product in that it lasts me through to the next month if I'm going to try the products. I just don't feel like a lifestyle box maybe is for me. Again, because I'm more into actual hair and makeup. You know what I mean? And like skincare. I know that sounds terrible, y'all. I don't think I'm going to get it again. I think, of course, for the value, it is absolutely worth the $50 to someone who's going to continually use these types of products. It's just not for me, so I'm so sorry. I think that it is packaged beautifully every month. I feel like you definitely get $50 worth. So I'm not talking shit about the box. I am just saying for me, for what I use sub boxes for, I won't get it again. I know there are a lot of people that only get sub boxes so they can resell and stuff like that. And yes, I do the buy, sell, trade makeup type thing. But my intent on doing a sub box is to actually build a nice collection and be able to use different products from different brands. That's why I always kind of say, you know, if you're going to get a box, definitely do, you know, your BoxyCharm and maybe do an Ipsy or an Allure box in conjunction with. I feel like this way we can try several different brands, you know, brands at all price points from, you know, $10 for something all the way up to $300 for something. But we can try different things, different price points, find out if we love an item. Then if I want that particular item, I'll just go buy it. So like I literally from filming today, I'm just gonna show y'all. Just in my little few videos that I've gotten today, I'm not even gonna be able to lift all this by myself. I mean, guys, that's a lot. That's overkill. And there's still more. Like, nobody ultimately is gonna use this all up in time for things to not expire, especially when you have delicate ingredients, or ingredients that, you know, as soon as you open the bottle, you're exposing air to it, things like that. So I mean, I don't know. You know, I hate to say that I don't like the box. It's not that I don't like the box. It's just not for me. It's not going to fit into my lifestyle, if you will. But I'm sorry. I will watch a few and see what other people thought about their boxes this month, since I finally got all my, no, I still haven't gotten Play by Sephora or Allure. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed. I'm not going to lie. And I know that's what you sign up for, is a lifestyle service, a lifestyle box with different things, but meh. You know, it's just not for me. So I will not be renewing this one. And I'm excited now to catch up on everybody's. And if you ever feel like I am not kind of staying on top of your videos, even if I watch and just run your playlist, I'm not always going to leave a comment. I'm not always going to say, hey, I watched, you know, 5 videos in a row, but I am watching. I am thumbsing you up. I do greatly appreciate you. As most beauties know that do beauty unboxings, if it is a box that I receive myself and you get yours first and load your, you know, video, I will not be able to watch it. I really try to stay truly authentic, and, you know, I want to have an honest reaction and genuinely be surprised by things. That's why I don't check my emails or anything like that. If I do, it's on the day for like Ipsy that I can add stuff to it, and I don't actually look at my bag. I get in there, I look at the $12 stuff, the $3 stuff, I click yes or no, and I get out. I don't go into the Facebook groups where I know girls buy, sell, and trade. I want to be surprised, you know? That's also another reason why I get the sub boxes, is it's kind of like my, you know, my gift to myself every month. It's like my little mini Christmas every single month. So, you know, I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so, so much for the love and support and being so generous in your support. Please know that it does not go unnoticed, and I appreciate you guys very much. It's a no from me for Fabfitfun. I think, of course, if these are items you are into, then you loved this box and it was incredible value, but it's a no. Yeah, if you like this video at all, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you'll tap that notification bell, I'd be even more grateful and thankful. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.